Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you my newest purchase. If you know me and have known me for a long time, you know that I don't really care for designer or luxury things. I'm very simple and frugal. Something that's also very important to me is investing in high quality things. So that's what I did with this purchase. I have now owned a bag for many years. The last one that I actually purchased with my own money was probably back in my 20s, like 10 years ago, and it was from Forever 21. So it was just like a cheap $20 bag. Since that time, I have had purses. I think I've done YouTube videos about what's in my bag, but those bags were really large, and at that time it fit my lifestyle. But as I became a minimalist and started decluttering and simplifying my life, I found that I had no need for those big bags. And for the past several years, I have now owned a purse. I do believe in treating myself every once in a while, and this is something that I've wanted for many years. So enough talking, let's show you the bag. All right, here is the bag. I believe it's called the Hadley convertible bag. I don't remember, but it's in this beautiful color, and I couldn't decide at first between this one or the Jamie Camera bag. The Jamie Camera bag is a bag that I've been eyeing for a very long time. So I almost went with that one, but when I was online at Coach Outlet, I did see this one. So I was either between that one or this one. And I went with this one because it's got a little bit more space. And I just personally like how the style of this one is compared to the other one. It's more rectangular, and this one's just got a different shape. This was purchased on a Black Friday Cyber Monday deal online. There is a Coach Outlet nearby. I debated a lot if I wanted to go to the Coach Outlet store, but the nearest one by me is about 30 miles. Plus, it's a really busy outdoor mall, and during this time of year, it's crazy. It's packed with people, there's no parking, and I didn't want to deal with that. So I decided just to place an order online, and it was 25% off. And then I also got about 2% cash back on it for using Rakuten. This is not an ad, but if I ever do shop online, I always check Rakuten to see if I can get some sort of cash back, because having even just a few cents or dollars cash back is a nice little incentive. So I love them. I've used Rakuten for a long time. And if you're not familiar with Rakuten and you do shop online, I will leave a link down below for you guys if you want to sign up. It's free, and you get cash back on many online stores. So here's the bag. I haven't quite opened it yet officially, as you can see. So I'm gonna go do that and then show you the inside. As I'm unwrapping all of this and taking the plastic off, something that I was hesitant about was placing the order online, because I'm one of those people that like to physically see things before buying them. I want to know what it feels like. I want to see what it looks like on me and all those things. So I was hesitant about that, but based on how it looks, I'm so far happy with this purchase. So let's take out all the fluff. It's so nice and soft inside. So this is what the inside looks like, and it looks like there's like a little pocket in here with the zipper, and it's got some room also behind the bag. So that's nice. What's this? I like how the strap is adjustable, so you can make it as short or as long as you want. I kind of just put it on the random little hole right now, but actually it might be a nice spot for it. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna adjust it a little bit because it's kind of low, but it looks very nice. So I'm going to start putting things in here and then do a what's in my bag video. All right, it's finally time for a what's in my bag video. I've been using my bag for a while now, so I feel like I've gotten used to it and I kind of know what things I want to keep in here, so let's go through it. First of all are one of my favorite pair of sunglasses. It's by the brand Key or Quay, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, and I've had these for a very long time. I bought these Black Friday several years ago. They had a really good deal. It was buy one get one free. So I had two, and my other ones were also my favorite pair of sunglasses, but a couple of months ago someone broke into my car and unfortunately I don't have those anymore. So after that incident, I am no longer keeping sunglasses or good quality sunglasses in my car anymore. So now I keep my sunglasses in my bag with me at all times. Next, I have this lotion from Bath and Body Works. I get coupons all the time from them, and sometimes they have little freebies. So this one is just a body cream moisturizer. Gotta have that, especially around this time of year where my hands get really dry. I also keep this lotion, but it has SPF. So this is from CeraVe, and I just got this recently and tried it for the first time. I really like this. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything at all, which I love. It's super lightweight and it's super hydrating and it's affordable, so love this. And I also keep hand sanitizer, again, just Bath and Body Works stuff. And then there is a zipper in the middle, and in there I keep these little tissues that I got as a sample from somewhere that I went. You never know when you need a tissue. Speaking of tissues, I also keep just napkins in here if I'm ever out. Sometimes I just need a napkin. I spill things a lot. I eat and make a mess. So napkins are a must in my bag. And I also have these two. This is a random chapstick and this lip gloss by Merit. I do kind of want to get an actual like little pouch or something to put all of these guys together. Right now they're in different pockets, but I'd like to have it all in one little compartment, so I'm on the lookout for that. I also keep gum in my bag. This is my all-time favorite gum. It's the 5 in the flavor Spearmint Rain. I like chewing gum because sometimes it curbs my hunger, so I like to just chew on this. I got this from a sample many years ago. I would like for a compact mirror that kind of like closes like this. This is all I have, so that's what I keep in here. And that's pretty much it. I still have extra room in there, and I'm thinking like a good book will fit in there if I'm ever going somewhere and I just need to carry a book, because I love to read and any chance that I get, I will be reading. So I usually throw a book in here. Another thing that I need is a little tiny notepad or notebook. Sometimes I like to just jot things down, so need to get one of those. So that's everything for what's in my bag. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This definitely takes me back to the old YouTube days, so I hope that was fun for you to watch. So that's everything that's in my bag. I hope you enjoyed watching this. This takes me back to the good old YouTube days. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Leave a like and subscribe if you're not already, and comment down below what is your essentials in your bag. Thank you for watching and see you guys soon.